Hello, 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 and welcome. We're going to talk about intonation and auto-tuning. Now, auto-tuning is a great tool. It came along and everybody was like, oh my gosh, this is great. Because there's times when, yeah, you're going to have to get a little bit of an aid, especially if you're getting really, really tired. The time is going, you've got to get the song done, and there's this tool that you can use that can fix a note. The problem is that it's a crutch. People are using it over and over again in the song. And so now you have the engineer that's constantly fixing things that shouldn't be fixed. You should be fixing them. This is called the integrity to your art, to your singing, to your instrument. So what does that mean? It means hard work for you. A little bit more than you're used to doing. Because if you're using it and you're using it to the point where it's taking over your song, that's way too much. Technology is great. Overuse? Nah. And what do you want to do when you go live? How are you going to handle it? You're not going to handle it. You're going to have a problem. You're going to be embarrassed because you won't be able to hit the notes. So, when we didn't have the auto-tuning, we had to hit the notes. So you take it away as much as you can. And the way you take it away is by working your instrument, working your muscles, working the intonation. Okay, so now let's do some exercises, okay? And I have some notes. Let's see. Did I hit everything? Yeah, integrity. Hello. Okay, let's try some notes, okay? You're going to have to be able to hit them. And this is all through your range, especially when you're trying to hit the high notes. But we're going to go slow. We're going to take a triad. So let's take it down here. Okay, I'm going to sit for this. Relax. We're going to go up and we're going to do another one. The center of these pitches. Keep the mouth open. And and you can sing it loud, you can sing it soft, but you want to hit the center. Let's do that one again. And good. Next one. Listen to it. Mouth open. Next one. Here's your first note. Here we go. And there you go. Now I'm going to take some high notes here a little bit. Now you can sing it loud, you can sing it soft, but the aim is to sing it right in the center. Here we go, and see how I went into it a little bit without forethought. So forethought on this song. I'm aiming it like you aim to a dart. The center of the pitch. Let's hit individual. There you go, just an individual pitch. 1, 2, 3. Hit it and. Okay. Let's go down here. Ready? 2, 3. Sometimes when you're trying to get the note, you can ease in slowly to get the note. Okay, now let's take a loud note. Okay, my voice went, that's going to happen in recording. That's going to happen. That's not that you have to tune it. okay? And it doesn't matter whether it's raspy, it's clear, it's are you hitting the center? Your style is your style, but hitting the center of the pitch, that's important. Let's go here. Good. Okay. Another one. Here we go. And. Very nice. Okay. Remember now, I'm going to leave it on because I love the beats. Okay, but I'm going to make them go a lot faster for me. Woo! Yeah. There you go. So, the summation is that you want to use this tool, use it now, and then start to diminish it. Little by little, start to let it go so you don't have to use it hardly at all. Now, yes, use it. It's a great tool, but not like it's happening. Not as much as people are using it now. And especially if that's you, you need to let go of that, let go of the crutch and hold on to yourself. Be able to be independent. Now when you go live, you're going to have confidence. You're going to walk on that stage and you're going to feel really good about your singing because you know you have worked on your intonation. And then you can work on the other aspects. The intonation, hitting that pitch on, that is going to be so crucial for you to work on so that you're independent of the technology, the tool. Use it until you don't need it, okay? All right, so leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if this helped you. Tell me what about it helped you, okay? Maybe it woke you up to the fact that, maybe I don't need to use it. Maybe if I work hard, and I mean you're going to have to work hard, yes, then I'll be able to hear my pitches. And that's going to be so liberating for you. You're going to fly on stage because you will have the confidence. Remember, the consistency in you working on this, that's what's going to make it happen. And my beats are going and I can't stand it. Okay, leave a comment, subscribe. Oh, and I have warm-ups for you. They might be a little bit fast if you have a problem with intonation. But if it's it's because you're just hitting high notes or something else other than, you really having a big problem with hitting the center of a lot of pitches, then the warm-ups are great, okay? I will have a link in the comments below, or you can go to marquitawaters.com, go to the services, and you'll see I yak about the warm-ups, okay? And then you can leave your info there and receive them. They are free. All right, don't forget now, because, whoa, it's such a day, it is such a day. Woo. Yeah. Okay, bye.